Hi, my name is Katerina Winkler, and today I'm going to be finding a specific source within the library online website. So here I am at library.weber.edu at the online library. So today the source I'm going to be looking for is The Paradox of Participation versus Misinformation by Sebastian Valenzuela, ETAL. So the first thing that I did was I come on here and I say, let's type in just the name of the text of the article. So what this one search is, before we go ahead and press enter, is it's able to find a bunch of different books, videos, audio, magazines, newspaper, and journal articles from multiple databases within one search. So this is kind of the easiest way to find, anything that you're looking for without having to know the specific database that it is on. So once I see, okay, this is exactly the source I'm looking for, I click on this, and you can see it'll take me to the database that it's on as well. So it looks like this article is found on the database Taylor and Francis Online. So that is how you find an article through the Weber State Library.